here again. I want to make a review about LeadsLeap. It's a place that I'm using for a long time. I used to be a free member, now I'm a pro member, as you can see here. Just want to show you around, so you may consider this as a source of traffic. I also use the Sended as a autoresponder. You can use it as a free member as well. Build your list. You can build your own landing pages. I'll show you around. Let's start. This is the dashboard. Let's look at these are my credit ads. These are free for free user. You can use 3 of them. You have to click on advertisement. You see, for now I don't have credit because I didn't click for a few days on ads. This is one of my advertisement. This second, and I have 3 of them here. As long as I keep getting credits, this will run. Whenever it's low credit, you're never gonna get any traffic for this. So to show you an example, you go to dashboard and you start. Let's see, it's slow today. And you're just clicking on ads. Oh, actually, let's move this here so you can see the menu. Let's go to dashboard again. New launches, 5-star. No idea why it's so slow today. So you just click on any advertisement and you start getting credits. Now you have to, I think, for a few seconds to watch the advertisement, then you can go for the other one. Recommended to watch about 10 ads a day, so you get credits. You click here, show more links. You go to the next one. That's how it goes. Okay, and so on and so forth. Let's go back. Now the Pro, it's around $20 a month if you upgrade. You can have 10 ads that getting traffic. No matter, you don't have to surf, you're getting traffic. You can see 50 view for this one, 74 views, 114. It's gonna rotate and you get more. The best to keep at least 5 ads. If you can get more than that, will be better. This is the Pro area. You can edit the ads and then submit it again, so you can change the title, the text, the ad text, the category. You can change the picture that shows, and that's about it in the Pro ads. What else I can say? Your bookmarking. Sensted, it's a list manager. Here you go to my list. I start building my list through here. It's included. I think as a free member, you're also getting this, but you get a few limitations. But you can still have an autoresponder without paying a dime, which is great to start with. And you see, I collect already 5 subscribers here, 11 here, and 1 in this list. You're creating a few different lists, and you can add a follow-up series email. You can change the layout of the. You connect it to. You can have a landing page. You can see that here. This landing page builder. You can build the way professional look landing pages. For example, this one here, and then you connect it to a list. You can collect emails and send them broadcast also emails, or I don't know what's going on. It's so slow today. I'm sorry about that. This is one of my lead capture page. get my free report on how to build an online business fast. People put their name and email, and then they go to the free report. It's all for free, actually, guys. It's amazing what you get a lot of value from leads. I'm I've been a member since I think 90 something, 97. It's really good. Then you can write a social review. These are the list broadcasting. You can broadcast pay per click. I didn't use that. You have a follower that people will follow you. You can have a referral. These are the links and tool. You can promote LeadsLeap, and they give you like a swipe email. They give you different pages to promote banners, and you can put it on your website, and you get a referral. So you can, if someone will upgrade, you get also a commission for that. What else I can show you? They have a rotator. You can use rotator links and track links, rotators. You have here. Oh, these are my rotator. So you can put few links in here and then advertise one link that will rotate the way you set it up. Just cool. So your profile, you can change picture here, dashboard, support, blog, and I think you're really gonna like that. You're getting a lot of traffic, even as a free member. You have you surf, you click on ads, and you collect some credits, and depends on how much credits you have, and then you get traffic as well. For me, $19 a month, it's not a lot, and you get a lot of value, and they give you a lot of tips. They send you a lot of emails to keep you update, and it's really really cool. And I'm getting a lot of sign up through this company. Sometimes I advertise some affiliate links that I'm getting sales through once in a while from there. Here you see post pro ad. I'm gonna show you which ones I'm using, and I think you're gonna like those. It's you have nothing to lose. You start as a free member. You check out what you can do with all this in the menu here. You can create your landing pages for free. You can connect your autoresponder for free, and then you decide if you want to upgrade. You go ahead and you do that, but you can have a good experience with this traffic wise. You see, for here I have like amazing free funnel. This Warrior Plus product that I'm getting traffic to it. I sold one already, and this is digits place that I'm using for ancient Egyptian secrets. And then I have all these are my product that I'm using to get referrals. You see, I'm getting a lot of them, a lot of sign up here. These are opt-in pages that I use. And that's it. I think I hope I gave you a little bit from the inside of LeadsLeap, and I'll be happy to help you. And if you have any question, let me know. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell so you can get any future videos that I'm gonna make and upload to YouTube. So I wish you all the best, guys, and thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you.